Keeping your home warm, the essentials of boiler maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that's not only useful for your English vocabulary but also for everyday life, especially if you live in a colder climate. We're talking about boiler maintenance. Understanding this term and what it involves can save you a lot of trouble and ensure your home stays warm during the cold months. So, let's get started and break down what boiler maintenance really means. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by boiler and maintenance. A boiler is a type of equipment or device that heats water to produce steam or hot water for heating a space, like your home. Think of it as the heart of your home's heating system, especially in winter. Maintenance, on the other hand, refers to the regular checks and repairs that are done to keep something working properly and prevent any future problems. It's like taking care of your health by visiting the doctor for checkups, even when you're not sick. So, when we combine these terms, boiler maintenance involves the regular checking and repairing of your home's boiler to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Now, you might wonder, why is boiler maintenance so important? Well, there are a few key reasons. 1. Safety. A poorly maintained boiler can be dangerous, as it might leak carbon monoxide, a harmful and odorless gas. 2. Efficiency. Regular maintenance helps the boiler run more efficiently, which means it uses less fuel and saves you money on energy bills. 3. Longevity. Just like with any machinery, taking good care of your boiler extends its life, meaning you won't have to replace it as often. Understanding these reasons is crucial, not just for homeowners but for anyone who wants to be informed about how to maintain a safe and comfortable living environment. You might now be curious about what actual tasks are involved in boiler maintenance. Typically, it includes inspection, checking the boiler and its components for any signs of wear or damage. Cleaning, removing any dirt or debris that could interfere with the boiler's operation. Repairing or replacing, fixing or replacing any parts that are not working properly. Testing, making sure the boiler operates safely and efficiently after maintenance has been performed. These tasks are usually carried out by a professional technician, so it's important to schedule a maintenance visit at least once a year. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at boiler maintenance. We hope this video has shed some light on why it's so important and what it entails. Remember, keeping your boiler well maintained is not just about saving money or extending its lifespan. It's also about ensuring your home is a safe and warm place for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Stay warm and take care.